How to use breadboard. Middle gap divided breadboard into two side, upper side and lower side. Upper side there are two horizontals point line. 25 points in horizontal line connected to each other. Same second horizontal 25 points connected to each other. Upper side there are 30 verticals points line. Five points in vertical line connected to each other. Lower side of breadboard lines same connection, same as upper side of breadboard lines. Two horizontals points line and 30 verticals points line. Now you understand the breadboard pins connection and configuration. Build your circuit on breadboard. For full video, click on below link, or subscribe and visit at Book of Technical channel.